Friends on social media, today I will be demonstrating and sharing some knowledge that I have, thanks to God above all things, and the time that has helped me gain this knowledge. I will be sharing it with you. For example, I will start with C major. I will be telling you all the auxiliary chords of C major. The music can vary depending on the lyrics and the singer. Let's start with C major. Please don't forget to subscribe to my Facebook group, because there I will be showing all the tones with the auxiliary tones that you can use in music combinations, okay? Thank you. Today, we embark on a comprehensive and melodious musical journey that begins with the C major chord. This chord, consisting of the notes C, E, and G, is fundamental in music, providing a harmonious and stable foundation. Our exploration will then take us to the intriguing B7th chord, comprising the notes B, D hash, F hash, and A. This chord introduces a sense of tension and anticipation, often resolving back to C major. This dynamic interplay between C major and B7th creates a captivating musical journey. As we delve further, we will encounter the bright and uplifting F major chord with notes F, A, and C, frequently used across various musical genres. Following this, we transition to the G chord, a complementing partner to C major, consisting of G, B, and D. The journey continues with the A7th chord, introducing a bluesy and jazzy feel with its notes A, C hash, E, and G. Our exploration will also cover the melancholic D minor chord with notes D, F, and A, adding depth and introspection to our music. Additionally, we will explore the G7th chord with notes G, B, D, and F, which pulls strongly back to C major, enhancing our musical experience. As we progress, we will delve into the chromatic scale, starting with D. The D major chord, featuring D, F hash, and A, will be our next focus, revisiting the A7th chord and transitioning back to D major. The G major chord, with G, B, and D, follows, leading us back to D via the revisited A7th chord. Our journey includes the E minor chord, featuring E, G, and B, known for its somber quality, and the bright E major chord, with E, G hash, and B, often used to evoke triumph. Revisiting B7th and E chords, we move to the versatile A chord and the tension-filled B chord. Delving into the C-sharp 7th chord, we explore tension and drama, followed by the mysterious F-sharp minor chord. We revisit the F major chord, explore the rich F2 7th chord, and revisit the A 7th and major 2 7th chords. Exploring key signatures, we focus on the G minor chord and its 2 7ths variant, followed by revisiting the F major chord. Our journey continues with the G chord, the tension-filled D 7th chord, and revisiting the foundational C major. The E 7th chord, adding tension and anticipation, leads us to the A minor chord, often used to convey sadness. Revisiting the D 7th and G chords, we proceed to the A major chord, revisiting the E 7th and A major chords, and including the bright D major chord. The F sharp chord, conveying tension, is followed by the bright F sharp major chord. Our exploration includes the B minor chord, often conveying sadness, Revisiting the E, 7th, and A major chords, we explore the C major scale, forming the foundation of many compositions, revisiting the B major chord, and following with the F sharp and G chords. The bright E chord is covered again before revisiting the B major and G sharp major chords, adding tension. The 2 sharp minor chord concludes our musical journey, returning us to C major. Later, I will provide all minor tones with auxiliaries on my Facebook account, posting photos of tone combinations for continued practice. Thank you. Have a good day. Additionally, I will add the bolero rhythm for those who missed it in the previous class. The bolero rhythm, a slow-tempo Latin music style from Spain and Cuba, is characterized by its romantic melodies. Starting with a C major tone, to enhance its sound, we will continue with the 5th interval, the 3 chords up to G, and the 6th interval, the 3 chords up. Instead of 3 chords up, we play them one by one, moving through the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st intervals. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share. Thank you, and have a good day.